Alright, you guys, this is Slappy with Slappy Adventures. I am not riding the motorcycles today. I am in my 1964 Oldsmobile Super 88. Come on and ride with me for a little while. Check me out. See how you like this old thing here. It's getting a little cool outside, so it's time to play with them old cars. Alright. Get ready for the intro. Here we go.
Hey, this is the GoPro 360, you guys. Enjoy this video. It's gonna be a good one.
am in the 64 Oldsmobile, y'all. The granddaddy mobile that I like to nickname it. And by the way, I do have my seatbelt on. It's just a lap seatbelt. It ain't that newfangled stuff that we used to go across here. But y'all see me all the time driving the motorcycles and on trips and all that, but I do dibble and dabble in old cars. I figure I'd get this old thing out, run a tank of gas through it, and just give this whole thing some exercise. My granddaddy left me this car. It's a 1964 Oldsmobile Super 88, and I love it a lot. I've done a few things to it. When he gave it to me, he said, I already know what you're gonna do. You're gonna ghetto it out. That's not really what he said, but to keep it nice and friendly for YouTube, he said, you're gonna ghetto it out. I already know what you're gonna do. Maybe a little bit, granddaddy. But one of the things that I ghettoed out is I upgraded the stereo. It is Bluetooth. Let's give you a listen. Gotta play the music. Granddaddy will hear it.
He got your number. He knows where you live. Knows where you live. And when you come home, can't run. You can't hide. Well, my mind go back. In the Bible days, can't hide. One day, God called a man by the name of Jonah. Said, now Jonah, I want you to go down.
Let me stop before I get a copyright strike for sure. But how many 64s you think had Bluetooth? But I got two 6x9s, two 6 1/4s, and I got one 15-inch sub. And that's more enough for me. They all in the back of the dick lid. Maybe I'll take a picture and get that too. But I'll do a lot more stuff with the 64 Oldsmobile, especially that it's getting cold, and I'm not gonna do a whole lot of motorcycle riding. But this is what I do, y'all. My granddaddy left me a doggone money pit, is what it is. But it's a nice money pit. Granddaddy left me a nice money pit. I usually have my granddaddy hat on. I don't even like to drive this car unless I got my granddaddy hat. He always wore them fedora hats. And I'm not doing him proper. But we out here enjoying this nice December the 3rd. I think that's what it is. Saturday, December 3rd. No, December 4th. My day off. I need to get it cleaned up real good, but I got a lot of stuff I need to do to my garage too. So I figured I'd get out here and run through a couple of tanks. Well, a tank of gas. I put the 93 octane non-ethanol in here because it's got a 394 big block with a Slim Jim transmission. If you Oldsmobile guys know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean. They only made this motor 2 years. They made it in 63 and 64. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad, but I know those parts are rare. And I had to go through all kinds of changes to get a water pump, but now I got two. And I got two alternators. If that tells you anything. Just a fun car to drive. It is a 4-door. Which is a sedan, I guess, in that day. So I'm not gonna make it no kind of hot rod or no kind of, you know, it's got a big enough motor where you can do what you want to, but it's just a sled. I'm just gonna make it a nice sled, knock around town, get these grandkids in there, and have some fun with them with it. But I might have to get some seat belts for the back. I guess in 1964, they said, them kids. because there's no seat belts at all in the back of here, but I do have some. I just got to get them installed and button them old grandbabies up and try to safety this old car up a little bit. All right, you guys, man, I'm just out here kicking it on this Saturday and brought out the Oldsmobile, and I brought you guys for the ride. It says Slappy with Slappy Adventures. I know you saying, man, what is your channel about? It's about all of my adventures that I do: football, basketball with my son, motorcycles, motorcycle travels, drag racing, the whole spectrum. Old cars, new cars. Man, I just like to enjoy that old life and get out here while I can and have some fun. Alright, you guys, I made it back to the house. So watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.